Well, we welcome you to another one of our BPA training videos. If you're an existing user of iPatient Care or eChiro EHR, we're so excited to give you a glimpse into the redesigned application. Now, one of the best things you're going to notice is that you access this application by simply navigating to a link through a modern web browser. Now, that's a link you can bookmark, you can use on a variety of devices, and that also means no more installs or configuration is needed just to get to the application. All you need is the link to get there. No doubt we're all happy to hear about that. Well, we're here at the login page, and it's worth noting that this is an early preview, and so some aspects of what you see here are subject to change. But let's log in and we'll give you a brief tour. Well, now that we've signed into the application, no doubt one of the first things you notice is the redesign. It has a simplified interface, a more modern look to it, and there's been so much work done to make this as easy to use, as easy to navigate as possible. Now, when we first sign in right now, it brings us to a patient selection window. We can search for and open up patient charts, but just know that we can change that default. Maybe we want it to open up the scheduler for the day, a dashboard instead, or something else. We have those options to configure that. But what we want to draw your attention to is how you navigate in iPatient Care and eChiro EHR. If you take your mouse and put it to the far left-hand side, you're going to notice a menu comes open here, flies open, and allows us to get around the application. So we could choose to open a chart, which we already have selected and open in the main window to the right. We have access to the dashboard, the DIM module, the scheduler, and so much more. So simply selecting these will get us to that area quickly. Now we also want to draw your attention to this top area of the application in teal here. And it's nice because no matter what window we're open in the program, it's awesome because we can quickly select and find a patient. So for example, you'll see if we just start typing in a patient last name, you're going to notice we have the option to quickly click on them, and that's going to open up their chart window. And that saves us maybe a few steps. We might be in the scheduler or some other program, and instead of having to navigate back here to patient selection, we always have a quick way to open up charts. And on a related note, the button just to the right of that, shown by these 4 circles, when we click on that, it actually shows us our recent charts that we have accessed. So again, just a quick way to open up patients and their charts. Lastly, what we want to point out is at the top right of the application, we also have an area where we can click, we can modify our profile settings, our user preferences, and color settings as well. So we find a nice, easy area to access the settings combined. Then finally, we can log out. Well, that just gives us a brief tour. We know that was quick, but we have so much more to show you, so stay tuned for more videos highlighting the new iPatient Care and eChiro EHR. Thanks again for watching.